Why are you so familiar? I'm your father. Dark Vader? Force chokes you. How did you know? That's my kink. The dark side of Force is a pathway to many abilities some consider to be unnatural. You match with Brookie. The password is SB5442. What? It's the Wi Fi password for when you come over this weekend. It will be so boring. I will have to sit on my phone. Gina. I'm the kind of girl you can take home to meet your dad. He will think I'm cute, charming, and a bit sexy. He'll fall in love with me. I'll fall in love with his money. We will get married. I'll be your mum. I will comfort you. Why do you have a Tinder account? You will be grounded. Emily. Hello. International University sounds fancy. What did you study there? 2014 to 2018. Why did you ask? No, what did you study? Nursing. Why all this question? What do you think dating apps are for? Looking for someone serious to date? And how do you get to know someone? About. Swipe right to pre-order a MILF. We are definitely swiping right. Chris. If you don't want to be on Tinder, why you on Tinder? I don't want to be alive either, but here I am. Hi. Hi. Hey, can I get your number? And yours? Hello. Have you sold my number to insurance company? I'm getting numerous calls for insurance companies. 19. Professional Minecrafter at your mother. Please, let me make you a playlist. 18. I am your ideal woman. 5'4", 95 lbs of pure muscle. Only eat beef, pillage and colonies. Cannot read and do not want to learn. I own 19 dirt bikes and they all have flames on the side. Inventor of what is commonly known as aggravated assault. Looking for someone to wheelbarrow around my village. Being on Tinder is already a leg pad. Change my mind. Rules. You can only answer with one word. Ready? Go. Once upon a time there was a queen. She was totally self-absorbed. But that's fine because she has a great ass. She used that great ass to let nearby males know she was ready to dance. Which was tricky because she constantly attracted men who couldn't dance at the same caliber as her. So she decided to finally settle for someone who knew how to. I want to know the context of this. What's her answer? Damn, you're so hot that I burned my fingers swiping on you. Damn, you're so cheesy. You gave me a diarrhea. Joe, choose your preferred opener. Number 1, dirty. Pickup line. Number 2, dad joke. Number 3, a limerick based on your name. Or I could just say hey like a normal person. I will have a number 3 please. Oh, good choice. Check it. There once was a guy named Joe. To right swipe, I couldn't say no. And look, we did match. He seems quite the catch. Grab a drink maybe? I say let's go. That's clever, bro. Actual footage of you eating spaghetti. Got a sub to my OnlyFans. To see it? Just kidding. But you're not wrong. Man, I'm gonna start a pasta themed OnlyFans. You gave me a great idea. Let's do it together. I would be kinky. Using ZT in the bedroom. Gone wrong. Gonochi butt plug. Sorry. Gonochi butt plug. Sorry. Holy shit. You look just like the porn star I watch.
This isn't the first time someone has said that to me.
Seriously? I was just fishing for a funny response. Did they name drop?
I wish.
Damn, me too. You match with Sarahi. You know, the more wise somebody has in their haze, the more interested they are in you. With that being said, hey, with Y 4 times. May 31. He. Bro, she's completely not interested in you. Nathan. You are very pretty. Whoever you end up being with will be lucky. Don't settle.
Wow, that was really sweet.
Haha, was it? I was feeling bad because we matched and I'm not pursuing you. Sorry, it's a terrible thing, but I'm not looking to date someone who has kids already. I know, I'm terrible, but you are gorgeous and you will find someone out there. Don't give up. Optimus Prime. If you were a transformer, you would be Optimus Fine.
And you would be Optimus Mine.
Oh. Vanessa. You have a really nice smile, Vanessa.
Oh, why? Thank you.
What you looking for on hair?
Nothing too specific. What happens, you know.
We could happen to be naked.
If that's what happens, then okay.
Oh my gosh.
In a wheelchair, cause my legs couldn't withstand the weight of my dump truck ass.
Like your answer. I don't see watch anime in your together. We should.
I've only seen a little bit of anime. So there's still a whole world we can discover together.
Ma'am, where have you been?
Waiting for you.
You match with Chris. Hey, you like pancakes? I feel like everyone should like pancakes. But yes, lol. Then how about IHOP? On that ass.